Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a face mask. And I know there's a bunch of great videos on YouTube on how to make one, but what I did to this face mask in particular that's different is I added the little piece of metal that's in the normal face masks. I cut it out and put it into this so that when you put it on, it's completely sealed off. Yeah, I wasn't really even aware of this until pretty recently. I wasn't really thinking about it until my mom sent me this video of a doctor talking about how to properly wear a face mask, and what he recommended to do was to tie the sides of the face mask like this, and then to turn in these corners. When you wear it, it's completely, I have this on backwards, but just for the purpose of showing you, see how there is no room for anything to come out of the face mask? That's the whole point, to get it to be flush on your face completely. And yeah, that's something that I was trying to aim for with this face mask. Yeah, this is actually the 5th face mask that I've made because I tried using different fabrics and none of them worked, because mainly the one I used was this suede material and there was barely any room to breathe. So yeah, I decided to go with 100% cotton, which is actually what medical professionals suggest you use if you are gonna make your own face mask. But yeah, I hope that this video is helpful to some of you, and just yeah, I hope that all of you are being safe and that your families are safe. And I don't know, these are really tough times, but I'm just trying to, remember that it's only temporary, and hopefully we'll find a solution for this pandemic at some point. But yeah, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. You'll need 2 pieces of fabric, 2 elastics, and the metal bendy thingy that comes in the regular face masks. You want each piece of fabric to measure 8.5 by 7 inches, and the elastics should each measure 7 inches. I started with a straight stitch on the longer side of the fabric so that I can sew all around while leaving a 2-inch gap to turn it inside out later. When you get to the corners, make sure that the end of the elastic lines up well and you don't sew the rest of the elastic to the fabric. I inserted the bendy metal thing into the gap I made to turn it inside out. Then I tried to center it as best as I could and pinned it on both ends and underneath it to hold it in place. Then I folded the fabric up about 1/2 inch and repeated the same thing underneath it. I tried to line up the folds on the other side the same way so that it would be even on both sides. Now sew with a straight stitch all around. I tried on the face mask and the bottom of it was actually a little too big on me, so I found the center of the mask and pinched a fold to the right and to the left of the center and sewed it together. Then I finished it off by sewing as close to the edge of that 2-inch gap from the beginning. And that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thanks for watching.